In this video, I'll show you how to check your transfer status in real time on Wise. Step 1. Log into Wise. Open a Wise app or website and sign in with your account. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to your activity or home screen. View your list of recent transfers and payments on the main dashboard or activity tab. Step 3. Select the transfer to track. Click or tap the specific transfer you wish to check for detailed status information. Step 4. Follow the money tracker. Use the money tracker showing transfer steps including received, sent and expected delivery times. Step 5. Receive notifications and alerts. Wise sends email and app notifications on key events and any transfer issues or delays. Step 6. Share a tracking link. This is optional. You can share a tracking link with your recipient so they can see the transfer status too. Now I have some tips for transfer tracking. Transfers usually complete within the estimated delivery time, but some delays can occur. You can check details carefully if there's a delay to ensure recipient info is correct. If the transfer is delayed, contact Wise support with transfer ID for assistance. And that's how you check your transfer status with Wise. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments.